You know exactly what you need to do. You've known for a while. Exercise. Start that project. Have that conversation. And yet, here you are, scrolling, comfortable, and slightly frustrated with yourself. That's not laziness. That's biology. Your brain didn't evolve to help you succeed. It evolved to keep you alive. Uncertainty meant danger. The unknown meant threat. So it built a system. Stay in the known. Stay in the familiar. Stay safe. The problem? That ancient system is still running. Right now, inside you. When you avoid the hard email, skip the gym, or stay in a job that's draining you, your amygdala is calling the shots. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Here's the part no one talks about. Your brain doesn't care if familiar feels good. It only cares that familiar is predictable. That job that drains you every single day? Familiar. The friendship that leaves you feeling small? Familiar. The voice in your head telling you you're not ready? Familiar. Your brain isn't keeping you comfortable because those things are good for you. It's keeping you there because it knows them. And here's what that costs you. First, your brain literally gets weaker. Neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to grow, requires challenge. Second, the longer you avoid discomfort, the scarier it becomes. Third, studies show 80% of regrets are about things people didn't do, not things they tried. So what do? We don't fight the brain. We learn to read it. Discomfort isn't a stop sign. It's a signal. When something feels hard because you're growing, that's different from hard because you're being harmed. This discomfort means I'm growing. This feels scary because it matters to me. This feels hard because I'm choosing my values over my comfort zone. The brain isn't your enemy. It's an old system running in a new world. Once you understand why it's pulling you back, you stop blaming yourself. And you start building systems instead of relying on willpower. The writer writes at the same time every day, not when they feel like it. The 5% rule. Do something just 5% outside your comfort zone. Every day, reframe the feeling. Anxiety and excitement activate the same physiology. Choose the label. But here's the thing. It's not about seeking discomfort for its own sake. It's about recognizing when discomfort is trying to tell you something important. Safety and growth cannot coexist at the same moment, but they can take turns. The most important skill might simply be this: learning to hold discomfort without immediately running from it. The discomfort isn't trying to stop you. It's asking, are you ready to grow? Your brain will keep choosing familiar. That's its job. Your job is to gently, consistently choose more. That is when real change begins.